Okay guys, I'm going to show you a Travell trigger point release. I'm going to walk through the steps of it this first time and show you one example of it on pages back. And then I'll do a few more videos showing you a couple of options for some of the different muscles in the outline for today. So first things first, get your bathroom scale out, and I want you to practice putting up to 30 pounds of pressure. So see what it's like at around 10, around 5, around 20, around 30. Try it with different parts of your body. So I want you to try it with your elbow, try it with your knuckles or flat fist. I want you to try it with fingers, reinforced thumbs. Get the sensation of what that feels like to apply such a great amount of pressure or differing amounts of pressure. That will give you a sense of where to start when you're actually applying the treatments. So as I stated in the video, Travell's trigger point release, she always recommends using a moist form of heat if the client can tolerate that kind of heat before applying a trigger point release. So when we're learning trigger points in class, we're actually we're not doing them the way that we would treat them in a clinic, because we're stripping up the specific muscle fibers and we're looking specifically at these muscles. Usually what happens in a massage is maybe you have a few muscles in mind based on your assessment that you think may be culprits and may contain some trigger points, and you could strip the muscles that way. But more often than not, what happens is you're going through your massage, petrissage techniques, whatever techniques, and you hit a trigger point. And then you go directly, you talk to the client, you get their feedback, you start asking the questions, and then you go into a trigger point release during the massage and then come out. Applying heat, moist heat, like Travell asks, is something that you could do before you start the entire massage, especially if you expect that there will be some trigger points in a congested or tight area, hypertonic area. If you find something, you could always apply heat on it at that point and then come back to it after it's heated up a little bit, or you could go in and just treat it right away. But you definitely want to